Hebrews chapter 10. A law is but a shadow, and nae a true picture o' a gweed things to come. Sae it couldna mak perfect as sentient beings o' them fa made their sacrifices year after year. Gin it hid, syne the sacrifices wouldna naughten tit hae been continued, cause the worshippers, cleansed eens and for all, wouldna hae had ony sense o' ill dean. Whosoever a sacrifice served to mind a folk ilka year o' their ill deans, a bleed o' bulls and goats canna tak awa your ill deans. Sae fun a neeteteen comes into a wirl, he says, Ye dinna want sacrifices and offerings, but ye've made ready a body for me. Brunt offerings and sacrifices for ill deans did naething to please ye. Syne says I, See, I've come, as it says o' me in the book o' the law, to dee fit ye went me till, Almichty. First of all, he says, Almichty talks nae pleasure in sacrifice and offering and brunt offering, made according to the law. Syne 19 says, See, I've come to dee fit ye went me till, Almichty. Ought why, Almichty talks awa, all wise to establish anew, and not why we are made pure through a offering o' a body of Jesus and ninteteen, eens and for all. Ilka priest stands ilka day, ministering and offering hour and hour again a same all sacrifices, a can dee naething to talk awa ill deans. But his chill, after he had offered the a sacrifice for ill deans forever, sat himself down on the richt hand o' Almichty, for he waits till his face are made until his fit still. Throughout a offering, he's made perfect for all time ilka een fa he maks pure. A pure spirit himself confirms this till his, for he says, first of all, This is a covenant I'll mak wi' them after 8 days, says the Meester. I'll put my laws on their hearts, and scribe them into their minds. And syne he says, On their ill deans and coarseness I'll mind nae mair aboot. Sae fan ill deans have been forgien, there's nae need for ony mair offerings. Sae throw a bleed o' Jesus, my friends. You and me can hae spunk to haud in till a pure o' pures. He opened up a living way for us to gang through a curtain. That's to say, his ain flesh. Nu he and a haik priest set our a hoose Almichty. Let's draw near han wi' a true heart full of confidence in the faith. We're guilty hearts sprinkled clean, and we're bodies washed wi' pure water. Let's hold fast till a hope we profess. We nae deval, 'cause we can aye depend on him. And let's think on een anither, and fu we can bears een anither to do and dee gweed works. Nae forgetting to attend a borough o' callings regular, like some folk. Let's dee all we can to help een anither's faith. All the mair as ye see a day drawing near. Nu gin we dinna behave ourselves eens we can and accept that truth, there can be nae mair sacrifices for ill deans for is, but just a terrifying expecting o' judgment on the fire o' Almichty's wrath that will burn all 'at stands counter him. A chiel for disna talk wi' a law o' Moses gets a death sentence wi' nae mercy on a word o' 3 witnesses. Fu muckle more div ye suppose a sentence will be for a chiel fa his trumpet on a son o' Almichty, untreated like dirt a bleed o' a covenant, at had eens made him pure, and affronted the vera spirit o' mercy. We ken fa it was that said, Vengeance is mine, I'll pay ye back. And again, a maester will judge his folk. It's an awful thing to fall into the hands o' a living Almichty, but mine on a days o' all lang syne, after ye'd seen a licht, unthold sick a sair effect, whiles ye were made a fairly and ye were miscawed and tormented, and whiles ye steed up for them that were ill used a same way. Ye took pity on the lads in the jail, and were cheery when your gear was pointed, 'cause ye kent ye hid something better. I be cruce, 'cause sick is a great payback. Ye maun thole all wi long-suffering gin, after ye've deen Almichty's will, ye're to get fit he's promised. For still anon, in a wee whiley, him fa's comin' will come, and winna be latchy. My richest folk will live be faith, and gin he curry back, I winna be fair suited wi him. But we're nae a kind of folk at curry back at tine wursels. Nae fegs, we have a faith on our Sabbath,